FurHaven is the everyday choice for comfort and a lower front edge. Choose Majestic Pet for curlers, Orvis for determined diggers, Lay Low for visible rooms, and Molly Mutt for spare linens. No dog bed does every job. Choose for cleaning, chewing, sleep style, and footprint. For most homes, it's the FurHaven Velvet Waves Perfect Comfort Sofa. Buy it if you want an everyday bed with a low front edge, supportive foam, and a cover you can wipe down without much fuss. It works for puppies, adult dogs, and dogs that don't love stepping over a tall bolster. The catch is that the loose cover doesn't fully protect the foam from fur, dirt, or spills. Skip it if accidents are common and you won't add a liner, or if your dog destroys bedding. For dogs that curl into a tight little ball, choose the Majestic Pet Suede Bagel Dog Bed. Buy it if your dog paws at the bed, burrows into corners, or likes leaning against a raised rim. The full center and surrounding bolster create a properly nestable spot, rather than a flat cushion they ignore. The catch is upkeep. Bigger versions are awkward to wash and reassemble, and spot cleaning can leave visible marks. Skip it if your dog stretches flat, or you need a compact, fast-wash bed. If your dog treats every bed like a digging project, look at the Orvis RecoveryZone ToughChew Lounger Dog Bed. Buy it if you would rather spend more once on substantial foam, a cover built to resist punctures, and strong replacement support. It's the sensible splurge for persistent chewers and bed diggers. The catch is simple. The patterned fabric hides fur and grime so well that cleaning can sneak up on you. Skip it if your dog is gentle, money is tight, or you want dirt obvious at a glance. For a dog bed that has to live in plain sight, pick the Lay Low Dog Bed. Buy it if you want a tidier-looking lounger, washable cover options, accessible zippers, and a base that stays put on hard floors. It gives a visible room a more deliberate look without turning washing day into a project. The catch is the woven cover. Tiny bits of mess can lodge in it, and claws may create pulls over time. Skip it for sharp puppy teeth, serious digging, or maximum plushness. To turn spare linens into a useful bed, go with the Molly Mutt Bed. Buy it if you already have blankets, pillows, or old clothes that can become a dense cushion your dog can nest into. The duvet and stuff sack design lets you change the feel without buying another foam insert. The catch is weight and drying time, especially once it is filled with heavier household fabric. Skip it if you want a light bed, consistent foam support, or something ready without stuffing. Quick split, everyday comfort, and easy entry go to FurHaven. Curled sleepers get Majestic Pet. Hard diggers get Orvis. Visible rooms get Lay Low. Spare linens and a tighter budget point to Molly Mutt. Measure the floor space before ordering, especially for bolster beds. Check how the cover comes off, where the bed will dry, and whether you need a liner. Give compressed foam time to regain its shape. Wash before grime becomes harder to remove. If you're unsure, start with FurHaven for an easy entry everyday bed. Switch to Majestic Pet for a curled sleeper, Orvis for relentless digging, Lay Low for a visible room, or Molly Mutt to reuse linens. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.